Celebrate Paris from new heights, exclusive Eiffel Tower summit access with your personal host. All the detailed information is under this video. Are you dreaming of experiencing the breathtaking Eiffel Tower without the hassle of long lines and with the added luxury of summit access? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Eiffel Tower Skip the Line Summit Tour with a live guide. This is your golden ticket to a memorable adventure in the heart of Paris. With this tour, you'll bypass the endless lines and proceed directly to the second level, where the real magic begins. You'll be met with panoramic views that will take your breath away. As you survey the city from the viewing platforms, our knowledgeable guide will immerse you in Parisian culture, traditions, and history. You'll gain a deeper understanding of this enchanting city that has captured hearts for centuries. But the adventure doesn't end here. You have the option to proceed to the summit, where you can visit Gustave Eiffel's private apartments and even sip on some delicious champagne from the on-site bar at your own expense, of course. It's the perfect way to toast to your incredible journey. So why should you choose this tour? Unlike most Eiffel Tower tours, this one grants you access to the tower's summit, making it an exclusive and unforgettable experience. What's included, you ask? You'll have a live guide to enhance your visit, access to the Eiffel Tower's second level, and the option to add a direct access ticket to the summit. Panoramic views, unlimited time inside the Eiffel Tower, and elevator access to both the second and summit levels are all part of the package. What can you expect? First, choose your entry time when booking and meet your host near the Eiffel Tower a half hour before your scheduled time. Together with your group, you'll stroll to one of the world's most famous landmarks. Say goodbye to those long lines as you head straight for the elevators, ensuring a speedy and stress-free journey to the second floor. Here, step out with your host to soak in some of the most incredible panoramic views in Paris. Your host will provide you with a basic orientation of the city's landmarks and sights visible from your vantage point. You can then explore the area at your own pace, capturing photos of iconic landmarks like the Louvre, les Invalides, Sacré Coeur, and the Champ de Mars. After you've had your fill of the second level, it's time to ascend to the summit. Here, you can raise your glass and toast to your incredible journey with champagne from the bar and explore Gustave Eiffel's private apartments. A few important details to keep in mind: confirmation will be received at the time of booking, and adult pricing applies to all travelers 4 years and older. Please arrive at the meeting point minutes early to ensure a seamless experience. In case of bad weather, maintenance, or safety reasons, the top level of the Eiffel Tower may be closed. But don't worry, your experience will still be extraordinary. Near public transportation, the venue can be busy during peak times, so please plan accordingly. Most travelers can participate in this tour, but please do not head directly to the Eiffel Tower. Meet us at Avenue de la Bourdonnais, Paris. One last thing to remember: skip the line access to the summit red level of the Eiffel Tower doesn't exist, it's only standard access. But with this tour, you'll experience the Eiffel Tower like a VIP. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to see Paris from new heights. Book your Eiffel Tower Skip the Line Summit Tour with a live guide today and make memories that will last a lifetime. And with contact and booking information on the screen.